Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add your business to Google Maps, and it's pretty simple to do. Basically, you just log into your Google account, you go to Google Maps, maps.google.com, and then you will of course need your address and so on. But to add your business name, you just basically click right here on those three dots at the top left corner. Then you can see here all of those saved, recent, your data and maps, all those bars and options. But what you need to add is click right here, add your business, and you will be redirected to this page. You will need to write down your business name. For example, let's write down this one. Let's click on continue. Let's click on any of those which suits you the best. Then you will need to add your website right here. Or if you are not an online store, you can click on a local store, or maybe you have both. So I suggest you, if you have a business and you have a website, you definitely want to add an online retail too. Let's click on next. As you can see, you need then to choose business category. So let's write down coffee shop. Let's click on next. You just basically write down your address. I will paste any of those. So let's write down New York. I will write down just an example. For example. Then you click on next. You add your phone number and you can add your website also. We're gonna skip this time, but of course you want to add it if you are planning on, and then you're gonna put your business on the map. So you're just gonna click on continue. Then you're gonna, for example, click no. Skip this one also. Now you will need to be verified, so you need to select a way to get verified. You can record a video of your business, or I'm just gonna click on the verify later because I'm not gonna add it. Now you can add your business hours, of course. So for example, let's leave it closed right now, but basically understand that you're just gonna write down when you open and close if you have a store. I'm just gonna skip it for now. And yeah, you add your business description, photos of your menu, if for example if you are a coffee shop or something like that. Then you add some other photos, and you can claim your $500 free advertising credit, but I'm just gonna skip it. And your edits will be visible once you are verified. So you need to be verified to do this. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Your business will be added to your Google Maps when you will get verified, and yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, the address is added. I believe you will get a chance to add your to drop that button on the map. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.